Welcome to Maths Companion. In the last video, we have discussed angle of elevation and angle of depression, and we have done some problems also. There was a homework. Let us check the answer at first. When the sun is at an elevation of 40 degree, the length of the shadow of a tree is 18 meters. What is the height of the tree? There is a tree, and when the sun is seen at an elevation of 40 degree, the length of the shadow is 18 meters. We have to find the height of the tree. Let us draw the tree at first. Let it be the tree. Now suppose the sun is here. Then all the sun rays which are coming on this tree get reflected. And the sun ray which passes through this point comes like this. Therefore, this is the shadow. Given that the sun is seen at an elevation of 40 degree, therefore this angle is 40 degree. Also given that the length of the shadow is 18 meters, therefore this length is 18 meters. Now there is a right angle triangle. Let us give a name for this triangle. Let it be triangle ABC. We need to find the height of the tree. In the figure it is AB, and based on this angle it is the opposite side. The length of the shadow is 18 meters, that is BC is 18 meters, and based on this angle it is the adjacent side, and the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side is 10. So let us take tan 40. Tan 40 is opposite side by adjacent side, or AB by BC. The value of tan 40 is 0.8391 and BC is 18 meters. Replacing the values, we can write 0.8391 equal to AB by 18. Taking 18 on the other side, we can write AB equal to 0.8391 into 18. Multiplying, we get 15.1038. That is, AB is 15.1038 meters, or the height of the tree is 15.1038 meters. Now let us discuss the remaining problems on page 122. Second problem. When the sun is at an elevation of 35 degree, the shadow of a tree is 10 meters. What would be the length of the shadow of the same tree when the sun is at an elevation of 25 degree? Let us draw the tree at first. When the sun is at an elevation of 35 degree, the shadow of the tree is 10 meters. That is, when the sun rays coming through this point, this length is the shadow and it is 10 meters. Given that this angle is 35 degree and this is 10 meters. Now when the sun is at an elevation of 25 degree, the sun rays coming through this point like this. Therefore this length is the shadow of the tree. Given that this angle is 25 degree and we have to find this length. Let us give a name. Now observe two right angle triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ABD. In triangle ABC, AB is the tree and BC is its shadow. Based on this angle, AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. So let us take tan 35. Tan 35 degree equal to opposite side by adjacent side, or AB by BC. The value of tan 35 is 0.7002 and BC is 10 meters. Replacing the values, we can write 0.7002 equal to AB by 10. Taking 10 on the other side, we can write AB equal to 0.7002 into 10, and that is equal to 7.002. Now we got the length of AB as 7.002 meters. Now look at the second triangle ABD. Based on this angle, AB is the opposite side and the length of the shadow BD is the adjacent side. So let us take tan 25. Tan 25 equal to opposite side by adjacent side, or AB by BD. The value of tan 25 is 0.4663 and we have got AB as 7.002. So we can write this as 0.4663 equal to 7.002 divided by BD. Let us take BD on the other side and 0.4663 on this side. Then we can write BD equal to 7.002 divided by 0.4663. Dividing, we get 15.0160841, etc. We can take it approximately as 15. That is, BD is approximately equal to 15 meters, or length of the shadow when sun is at an elevation of 25 degree is 15 meters. Third problem. From the top of an electric post, two wires are stretched to either side and fixed to the ground 25 meters apart. The wires make angles 55 degree and 40 degree with the ground. What is the height of the post? Let us draw the figure at first. Let this be the ground and let this be the electric post. Two wires are stretched on either side like this. They make angles 55 degree and 40 degree with the ground, and the distance between these 2 points is 25 meters. We need to find the length of this line. Let us give a name for this triangle. Let it be ABC, and let this point be D. The distance between these 2 points is 25 meters. Let the length of CD be x. Then the length of BD is 25 minus x. We need to find the length of AD. Based on this angle, it is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So let us take tan 55. Tan 55 equal to AD by CD. The value of tan 55 is 1.4281 and we have taken CD as x. So we can write 1.4281 equal to AD by x. Taking x on the other side, we can write AD equal to 1.4281x. Now let us take the second triangle, triangle ADB. We need to find the length of AD, which is the opposite side of this angle, and BD is the adjacent side. So let us take tan 40. Tan 40 is AD by BD. The value of tan 40 is 0.8391 and we have taken BD as 25 minus x. So we can write 0.8391 equal to AD by 25 minus x. Taking 25 minus x on the other side, we can write AD equal to 0.8391 into 25 minus x. Now look at this. AD is 1.4281x and AD is 0.8391 into 25 minus x. These two are same. Therefore, these two are also equal. So we can say 1.4281x equal to 0.8391 into 25 minus x. Now let us multiply this. 0.8391 into 25 is 20.9775 and 0.8391 into x is 0.8391x. Therefore, this is equal to 20.9775 minus 0.8391x. Let us take the term containing x on the other side. Then we can write 1.4281x plus 0.8391x equal to 20.9775. Adding these two, we get 2.2672x. So we can write this as 2.2672x equal to 20.9775. Therefore, x equal to 20.9775 divided by 2.2672. Dividing, we get 9.25260,233, etc. We can approximately take it as 9.25. Now we got the value of x. So we can easily find the height of the post. Height of the post is AD, and we have already seen that AD equal to 1.4281x. Now we got the value of x as 9.25. So this can be written as 1.4281 into 9.25. Multiplying, we get 13.209925. We can approximately take it as 13.21 meters. That is, height of the post is 13.21 meters. Today we have discussed some problems on page 122. Now there is a homework. A 1.5 meter tall boy saw the top of a building under construction at an elevation of 30 degree. The completed building was 10 meters higher and the boy saw its top at an elevation of 60 degrees from the same spot. What is the height of the building? We will discuss the remaining problems in the next video. Till then, bye.